Hello, it's Angeline. Welcome back to another crafty video with Unity Stem. Today I'm going to show you how you can make your own custom colored Deco Fall Metallix gel. So I'm starting off with this stem set called My Soul Finds Rest by Unity Stem and Grizzly Designs. And next I'm grabbing this All Kinds of Love stencil by Unity Stem and also some Distress Oxide ink along with some Deco Fall Metallix gel. So to mix the colors, I'm grabbing an acrylic block and my palette knife, and first starting off with smooshing some ink onto the block, whatever color that you like. Here I'm using the Distress Oxide in Wilted Violet, and next I'm grabbing the White Pearl Metallix gel with my palette knife to just scrape it onto the acrylic block and mixing it all up together. This may take some time, so just be patient and just mix them well together until you get the color that you want. Next, I'm placing the stencil onto my card, and to avoid it moving around, I'm grabbing the pixie spray by Web as well to just spritz at the back of my stencil so that it will adhere to my cardstock without moving around when I am applying the Metallix gel. So what's great about this pixie spray is it has just enough tack and it is repositionable so that it will gently hold your stencil to your cardstock without tearing the paper or leaving any sticky residue behind when you take it apart. So as you can see, my Metallix gel, which is originally in white pearl, is now a light pastel purple color because I've added the wilted violet. And if you wanted it to be a brighter color, all you needed to do is just add more ink. So just imagine the possibilities that you can always create your very own custom colors as you like by just adding whatever inks to your Metallix gel. So once you're done, just peel the stencil off and quickly wash that off. And next, I'm grabbing the Distress Oxide in Frayed Burlap here to just add some shading to the sides of my card. Once you're happy with that, just adhere it to your card base and also add the beautiful cross and the sentiment to your card, and you're all done. So here is my finished card. I hope you enjoyed this quick tip technique, and thanks for watching. Bye!